Hey guys, it's Notorius from PyranDev, and I'm here to show you how to do conversions. So, as you learned from previous videos, that a variable is something that the program defines. So, programmer defines, I mean. So, let's say the programmer defines x equals 3. You're going to print x. Do that real quick, and you're going to get 3 right here. So let's try to do something different, and what we're going to do is we're going to convert x into whatever the user enters. So to do that, we're going to use the input function, x equals input, open parentheses, and then close parentheses. We're going to do print x, close x. Let's press F5 to run, or you can just press the run button. And we're going to say that number. It's going to print that number. So conversions, you can use this in conversions by, let's say, let's think of a simple program, inches to centimeters converter. So let's comment this out real quick. Inches to centimeters converter. And first we're going to do is make inch equals input. Inches are variable, and input is what the user is going to define. Now, to make things simple, and we're going to have something like, if there's going to be a wisecrack here, and they're going to put 3.55 whatever, well, not 55, 3948, blah blah blah, and it's not going to work because it's not the program does not recognize decimals. So what we're really first going to do is put inch equals float, open parentheses, inch. Now what a float does is that it converts a string or number into a decimal, basically. It's also called a floating point. So now we're going to head on to the centimeters part. I'm going to do cm equals 2.54 space, and then the asterisk sign, space, inch. This is basically going to make centimeters equals 2.54 times the amount of inches that you input. We're going to make sure that cm equals float cm. And now we're going to do print cm comma centimeters. Now if you want everything to be slightly more organized, so for example, if someone were to enter enter the number and get the answer, it's going to look really jumbled up. So we're gonna do \n and then right inside the quotes. So I'm gonna show you what it's like after and before it, just after we finish this program. So we're gonna run this thing. It's gonna look like this. Let's say you want to put in a 87. It's gonna input this. It's gonna give you 220.98 centimeters. Now, to make this slightly more aesthetically pleasing, I'm gonna make print greetings. Welcome to conversion 1.6. It's a cool number. Please enter a number. End quote. F5. Greetings. Welcome to conversion 1.6. Please enter a number. 820.32 centimeters. So, something that you might realize is once you input the function once, it doesn't loop. So we're gonna put 6. Oh no, nothing works. Oh, invalid token. So what we're going to do is do a while function. What a while function does is that it loops whenever a statement is true or false. It will loop it'll perform the function that's defined inside the while function. So we're going to show you that real quick. Let's say while 2 is less than 3 colon inch let's wait, print please enter another value. Inch equals input, inch equals float, inch, cm equals 2.54 times inch. You could also do this by copy and pasting, but I like typing it out for the practice. Print cm centimeters \n. I'm gonna run that real quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, whatever, blah blah blah. As you can see, these everything's keeps on looping until you get please enter another value 3, and then you get this, please enter another value 4, and you get that. So what we're gonna do is let's take out these \n's, and you'll find out why we need them. Everything looks so jumbled up because there are no enters to distinguish which one or each loop of the program. So what a \n does, it allows the program to enter an extra enter, so everything looks a little more. You can do this multiple times if you want. Everything looks more organized. Oh, whoa, that's a really, yeah, well, pressed enter too fast by accident, but, so, I like to keep things at \n once, because it looks better. So, that's basically what a converter does, and it's an inch to centimeters converter. You want to make sure that you comment everything that you don't know, and here we'll put in, let's see, make turns user value into variable inch, turns variable inch into floating point, and then so make sure that everything's commented in, and anything that you don't know, you want to always make reference back to these kind of things. So just a basic program. So thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos. PyranDev out.